You have been scrolling for hours today. Your phone knows it, the algorithm knows it. And while you were swiping, someone just got a bank deposit notification using a free AI tool on the exact same device. It is exhausting. Your feed is packed with people showing off rented cars and throwing out endless lists of AIs. You do not lack the work ethic. You are just paralyzed by having way too many options and zero clear direction. We are fixing that right now. This system has strict rules. You need $0 to start. You need zero prior experience. All you need is the phone or laptop you are watching this on. I tested 5 specific free AI tools. I am going to show you the exact method to launch a digital income stream today. We will evaluate exactly how each one works. Watching another 100 tutorials will not pay your bills. Picking one tool and focusing on it for 30 days will. Here is your starting point. Large language models like ChatGPT can cut the time required to draft professional text down to seconds. Small businesses need words for websites and emails, but they often lack the hours to write them. Your first step is setting up a gig on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. You will offer to write 5-part email marketing sequences for local business owners. This chart compares your time investment. Writing 5 emails manually takes 5 hours. Using ChatGPT to structure and draft those emails takes 1 hour. You can charge $50 to $100 per sequence, which significantly increases your hourly rate. But there is a catch. If you type a lazy prompt into ChatGPT, you will get lazy, robotic text. The ability to command these models is becoming the standard for modern freelancing, and it requires learning how to train the AI to sound human. Precise communication with AI is the foundational skill required for all modern digital work. If you can command high-quality text, you can easily run an entire writing business from your phone. Canva Magic Studio generates complete designs from text prompts and instantly resizes one image for every single social media platform. You will use these features to generate bulk social media graphics and editable digital templates. Then you will package them into bundles and list them for sale on Etsy or Fiverr. This image shows your target end state, a fully stocked storefront. Once you populate your shop with a few dozen template bundles, every sale is profit. A successful shop can generate a few $100s a month. The marketplace is highly saturated because the design barrier is gone. Your success depends on learning search engine optimization tagging so people can actually find your listings. Canva AI transforms digital design from a technical skill barrier into a marketing and discoverability challenge. Success here is about being seen, not just being an artist. Text-to-speech technology has advanced to the point where creators now use AI for YouTube videos, podcast intros, and audiobooks. You can list voiceover and audio narration gigs on freelance marketplaces. You will use high-fidelity AI voices to bring client scripts to life. This diagram illustrates your daily workflow. You take a client document and turn it into broadcast-quality audio. Clients pay $20 to $50 for a crisp 5-minute audio file. However, the free tier caps how many words you can generate per month. You also have to provide clear attribution, which many commercial clients will not want. Major providers are currently launching expressive mode agents and high-accuracy transcription models for 2026. Mastering this software now puts you ahead of a massive wave of automated audio content. Leonardo AI produces commercial-grade art by rendering complex fantasy scenes with high detail. These assets are professional enough for people to pay for. You have 2 clear paths right here. First, you can sell click-optimized background assets for YouTube thumbnails. Second, you can launch a print-on-demand store for t-shirts and mugs. Print-on-demand requires 0 physical inventory and 0 initial budget. When a customer buys a shirt, the factory prints it and ships it, and you collect the profit margin. Current image models struggle heavily with spelling words correctly or generating the exact same character in different poses. This requires extensive trial and error. Success in the AI art market relies strictly on human curation. You must generate a high volume of images and select only the absolute best ones to overcome the machine's unpredictability. Notion AI instantly formats messy data and auto-populates complex databases with a single command. You will use these features to build digital student planners or life organization systems. Once built, you package the template and sell the access link on Gumroad. This image shows a premium dashboard. It costs you absolutely nothing to replicate and send this same link to 1,000 different customers. While the process is highly efficient, these templates often sell for lower price points. This method typically has a lower income ceiling than active client-based freelancing. Notion AI is the ultimate entry point for users looking to monetize their organizational skills. It turns a clean workflow into a sellable digital asset. We have covered the tools. Now you must make a choice. If you try to build all 5 of these today, you will accomplish absolutely nothing. This matrix maps out the best options for your time. Let us rank them from hardest to easiest for a beginner. 5th is Notion AI. 4th is Canva AI. 3rd is ElevenLabs. 2nd is Leonardo AI. 1st is ChatGPT. ChatGPT secures the top spot for long-term earners. The learning curve is demanding, but it possesses the highest income potential because every business on Earth runs on written communication. However, if you are a day one beginner looking for the fastest win, Canva AI is the right choice. It has near zero friction, and you can launch a product before you go to sleep tonight. You must pick exactly one tool today. Tell me which tool you are starting with in the comments below to stay publicly accountable. Then subscribe to the channel. Next week, we are going deep on how to get your very first client. Now it is time to get to work.